Okay, we're in Indiana getting this fixed. Again, they've already fixed the bracketry and hardware under the slide so it stays straight. But I wanted to make a short here showing the slide swipe seal problem which is actually a symptom because our slide box is not square, it's not symmetrical. So you can see here where the swipe seal loses contact because the box is crooked. It was assembled crooked, and it gets worse and worse as you go to the top. So they're going to try to shift this box to the right to bring that in the contact all the way down. And while I'm here, I'm also going to show you this slide bracket. You see that? That's a double gusseted bracket bolting the slide to the arm. There's the ram and the arm, and that's a double gusseted bracket. That used to just be a flimsy plate. I'm going to show you on the other slide that is not fixed / upgraded. I'll go ahead and show you the other side too. My concern is when they move it, this side will come out of contact, but it's up there pretty tight, so it could work. It might work. But here's the upgraded bracket. Go back and look at my other videos to see how horrible situation that was in. Anyway, the problem I have with the swipe seals is they are toilet paper, and it takes a butterfly flapping its wings for these swipe seals to move. So they basically don't do anything. Just look at how flimsy that is. And that's what it does whenever the wind blows. So inside where it actually touches, it goes all night, all day. Very annoying. So let's take a look at the old style slide out brackets that just bend and twist whenever the slide goes in and out. So on my other slide, we have, see that old style? Thin, flimsy. Oh, ironically, that one's welded. You see the one on the other side? Look at that. That's actually the old style. This side is welded. That makes a lot more sense. But this is what was on the super heavy lever action slide that completely failed. See that bracket? That's the old style. Now they're double gusseted, but this bracket completely came apart on the other side. And so they fixed all that. All right, that's it. I'm trying to make it short.